Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered, where can I see all the comments I've ever made on YouTube? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a super simple updated method to view every single comment you've posted on YouTube, all from your PC. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also show you how to delete old comments you no longer want visible. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Now, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down a bit and click on Manage All History. This will take you to your Google activity page where all your YouTube activity is stored, including searches, watch history, and comments. You may be asked to sign in again for security reasons, so just do that. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page. If you manage multiple YouTube channels under one account, you can switch between channels here because your comments are tied to specific channels. Now, this is the important part. In the left-hand menu, click on Interactions and then choose Comments and Replies. And there you go. You'll see a complete list of every comment and reply you've ever made on YouTube. If you want to delete a comment, just tap the small times icon next to it. The comment will instantly disappear from that video. Simple as that. And that's it. Your full YouTube comment history all in one place. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more quick and useful YouTube tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.